Well, Uber just made a massive update. We're gonna talk about it, okay? I don't think this is a good update at all. In my opinion, I think Uber and Lyft is kind of starting to get out of the ride sharing game. Probably in at least when I saw this, in anticipation of Tesla entering the ride sharing space. I think Uber's preparing for, you know, their exit of ride sharing and getting into different avenues. So this could be, you know, a good time to start thinking about, you know, a different job to do, if you're doing Uber, you know, if you rely on Uber for income. Before I jump in, I wanted to tell you guys, there is an incredible opportunity right now to start making thousands of dollars per month outside of Uber and Lyft. It's by creating a faceless YouTube channel. It's something that I've been doing for over 5 years now. It's exactly what got me out of doing Uber, out of doing all these minimum wage jobs, and start making over 10 grand a month. I've already taught so many of my friends how to do it, and even family members. This is just on one of my YouTube channels. You can see I brought in over 10,000 bucks a month. And I just show this just so you guys can, you know, get an actual look into my dashboard. This is just on one page. Last year, I made over $100,000. You know, this is legit real money. This year so far, over 50K, it's only May. So, yeah, if you want to learn how to do it, you don't need any experience. I didn't have any experience when I started. You don't need to show your face. Obviously, it's faceless. And you don't need any following. You know, you can start making money pretty quickly. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you put in the time, you put in the effort, and you watch my video linked below, I think it's totally possible for anybody to start making good money on YouTube. Literally, I taught 2 people in my life who had never made a YouTube video, and they started a faceless YouTube channel, and one of them did. One of them started a normal YouTube channel. The faceless YouTube channel girl, she started making over 40,000 bucks a month. She sent me a screenshot the other day because I asked her. I was like, hey, can you send me a screenshot? This is what she sent me, guys. She made over $300,000. And she said this was her first year and a half doing this. It's crazy. It's YouTube. You guys know people make, you know, millions of dollars on YouTube. So I've been able to make over 10K a month. If you want, you can join my program below and I'll walk you through it. Right now, there's a 30-day free trial because it's new and it's not perfect. I'm gonna, I mean, there's a whole tutorial on how to set it up, group chat, but I'm gonna be adding in a lot more too, but you can join for free for now. Anyways, check that out. Let's get started. Uber has unveiled a new shuttle service and discounts for students, Costco partnership, and more. Plus, an exclusive pricing announcement for concert shuttles in Miami. Uber is shifting out of rideshare, guys, into the shuttle space. Consumers are pulling back on spending because of inflation, and Uber is hoping to help encourage more riders with new promotions and services that will make it easier and cheaper to get to their destinations. This is called the Uber Shuttle Bus Service. Uber Shuttle is a new way for riders to get to their favorite big events like concert venues or the airport for their next flight without the dreaded surge pricing. It's gonna start taking away a lot of rides, a lot of airport rides from drivers, and a lot of, you know, this is, usually drivers make a lot of money on airport rides. Usually on my videos, I would give advice, do airport rides, do concert rides. Well, there ain't gonna be any left because Uber's now doing shuttles. So they're gonna still charge riders, but they don't have, they're like, well, if we can cut out driver pay even more. I mean, this is literally a big slap in the face to drivers. They don't even offer drivers to be able to become the shuttle drivers. They just say, oh, we're doing this. We're partnering with this shuttle company, Uber Shuttle. And all of a sudden drivers are like, where are all the rides? And you look over to the right, you got 50 people boarding a Uber shuttle bus to the airport. And it's like, those used to be all rides that you would make money on, but not anymore. Customers can reserve a seat up to 7 days in advance for the new service on a local shuttle that holds between 14 to 55 people. Wow, I thought I was exaggerating. No, it's gonna be up to 55 people in the same shuttle, with other riders heading to the same place for what the company said will cost a fraction of the price of an UberX. Yeah, probably 4/5. Wow, that's crazy. They even gave us a screenshot, guys. I don't know if you can see that on the end there, but it gives them the option, Uber Shuttle. That's insane, guys. So yeah, this is great for riders. They're gonna save a lot of money, but drivers are gonna get a lot less rides. Because imagine, now you got 55 potential rides that's gonna be all gone, all grouped to one shuttle bus. Very, very interesting. So let me know your thoughts on this, guys. I think this is horrible for drivers, absolutely horrendous. And I think it's a big slap in the face from Uber to drivers. And it's just another example, time again, that Uber does not give a flying crap about drivers. So anyways, join my link down below for my faceless YouTube channel method. Again, if you want to learn how to make up to $10,000 a month or even more, as you can see on my page, I've been averaging over 10,000 bucks a month. Just in the past year alone, I made over $100,000, $120,000. So I literally averaged over 10,000 bucks a month. So if you want to learn how I did that, and even on some months, guys, this one single month, I had a really good month right there. I don't know if you can see that, but that month I hit $37,000 in 1 month. And then on that month I hit 20,000. That month I hit 10. So anyways, I have a link below if you want to learn how to do it. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll talk soon.